It's your boy Geezo. It's another episode of Cooking with Geezo, and today we have salmon, and we're gonna be putting it on the grill. Stay tuned. That money, get that money now. Okay, now we're gonna season it. It's very simple. I got my Old Bay, not Old Bay, but the Old Bay seasoning. So, it came open a little bit. Okay, then we're just gonna dump. Alright, it's not coming out. So what we're gonna do is take this side. Uh-oh, too much. We're gonna season. And if you happen to make a mistake and put too much, you just beat it down like that and rub it in. That's all. Because now you got something for both sides. You won't have to flip it. Even though most people don't, I know I don't eat the skin of the fish. But everybody's different, you know? So now after that, we got some wishbone, Italian dressing. We're gonna shake up. Got it all. We'll put a little bit on there. A little bit. Okay. That's it. And then, so after you put your dressing, your Italian dressing on there, you just rub it in. You rub it in like that. You rub it in like that. You rub it in like that, and it's that simple. It is that simple. So I think I'll name this one Simple Salmon. Alright, so now we're outside. We're about to put the salmon on the grill. I have my grill warming up. So what I do is I put it on the skin first. Put it on the skin first. So you can keep all your meat because it might stick. I don't have no grill spray, so. And then we're gonna close this and let it sit for 2 minutes. Alright, so it's been on here for 2 minutes. Let's check. See? It's almost done, people. You see how it's stuck to the grill? And that's why you put your skin first. And we'll come back in another 2 minutes. Money, get that money. Now more business. Get that money. So now our salmon is done. But first, we must make something to go with it. Since it's simple salmon, let's make a simple salad. Okay, so I have some baby spring mix. Got some peppers that's already cut. I have some tomatoes, I have some cheese, I have some imitation crab meat. So we're gonna just put a little bit of salad in here. That's a lot of it, but it's a plate, so. Take the tomatoes, I'm gonna have to wash the tomatoes off. Tomatoes. Dump some tomatoes on there. Piece of cheese. Real quick salad. Get you some cheese sprinkle on there. Not too much if you're on a diet. I'm supposed to be on a diet, but get your imitation crab meat. Just throw it on there like so. Hold on. And one more ingredient. Best stuff I use. Salad Supreme. Sprinkle it on there. And that's it. Okay. So now we're finished. And it looks like that. Grilled salmon, salad, simple salmon, simple salad.
What kind of dressing are you using?
Head ass. Classic Catalina. Peace.